I like the rain, but when it comes with strong winds, storms, and lightning, it makes me feel afraid. After a long spell of intense heat, the arrival of rain brings a sense of coolness and relief. Nature itself is the true God. Perhaps it was by witnessing nature's fierce and powerful form that humans began to conceive the idea of a divine force. When there's such intense wind, rain, and lightning, this thought naturally arises. Right now I am in Sonitpur to attend a friend's wedding. Near the wedding pandal, there was a betel nut tree that had fallen badly. Pointing to it, my friend said, "We can eat the tender parts of it." In the upcoming videos, I'll talk more about this.